You look so fucking cool.
Ooh, a little pop. I knew I heard one.
Do it again.
She's breaking in. What after the white one? We're good, I think. Oh, I love me some popping and burbling. Woo-hoo. I was about to say, wow, that's a nice, clean, dry place to stop. Then I remembered, we did. Turning lorries. What if they're turning that into a huge stop? Discoteca. Oh, you can see where people pull off. Yeah. Look at these rows. This summertime must be madness here. You can see on the side of the road where they pull off and probably just line cars up all in that shoulder. Ripping their oil pans out with hidden rocks. Holy. That is like a watercolor painting, man. Just shades of blue and gray and white. Layers and layers. Boy, racer right there. Oh, this is just gonna be a ribbon of. Oh, that way to America. Almost. A little further up, maybe. Look at the road down there. Just gonna ride along the seacoast for a while here. This. Wow, what is that? Snow-capped peaks over there too, man. Big ones. Wow. See the little cottage back there? Sipping some tea in the morning, watching the weather change. Big thumbs up, big pointing from Dick. I can't pan to the left, I'm not gonna try, but it's awesome. now we've got cliffs, like the cliffs of Moher, just sliced off. Yes. Just vertical drops right to the ocean. Fantastic. I think I finally got why they call it the Isle of Skye. From the land to the, you just see the sky, there's just nothing after it. Could be wrong. You know what? Maybe this is the time to come here. Why would you want to be on this road stuck in traffic? Giant motorhomes and caravans, piles of tourists. I don't know, I think this might be the right time to come. Growing up in a tourist town, you absolutely get a different sense of the location off season. I love the spray painted sheep. Yes. Yes, look at that Defender. I love the spray painted sheep. It's like they're free range, they can go whatever, they can go wherever they want, they can do whatever they want. They can mix and mingle. But you gotta spray paint them so you know who's whose. I have no idea how they figure out which color belongs to which family. Maybe they get passed down generation after generation. Dick probably could tell you a good half-hour, 45-minute lesson in the mythos and history of it all, but I just love it because they look so punk. Oh, look at that! Their property just ends at a fence. The only thing past that fence is death. That's awesome! Look at it! You see that to the right? These little squared off plots, and then nothing. A tabletop mountain. Ideal riding conditions, man. Ideal. This is perfect.
Perfect.
I'm glad we decided to pull the trigger and do the whole loop. Yep. Telephone box. I wonder how many were originally here for the whole island at its peak. Just one. That's it. You saw it. Sucks if you live on the West Coast. A half hour to make a phone call. Wow. Weather station up there. Little hut. That's cool. What's that geodesic thing? all over the place. A lot of it. Oh no, that must be. That's sheep. That's sheep poop. Ew pew. Yes! And that's why there's so many droppings. There's a farmer with his cane. With his cane and his wellies. Oh my God. Ladies. 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 Yeah, that wasn't on the list, but it is now, and it's now been checked. Just gave that guy some flashes. Yeah. I mean, he's probably used to it, but they were on a corner there. To the beach. Is there only one? Everybody, that's the beach. I'll see you at the beach, says somebody on the west side of the island. Look at this. Yes! Yes! Look at it! These little slivers of land. I wonder if it's a bit like Aran Island, where they've got little slivers of land, little plots, mixed and matched with who gets good land and who doesn't. What was that just flew out of there? Some Highland. Nope, not Highlands. This regular cows. You're boring! Grow some hair! Got no character. This is the first time we've actually, outside of a motorway, had to consider if we're going to pass somebody in a car. Like literally the first time, I think, in 4 or 5 days, whatever day it is. And they're braking mid-corner. It's fun. Oh, there's two. We got a telephone booth count. Or box. Telephone box. Yeah. Oh, look at him. Look at him. All right. You got it. Yeah. Okay. You got to make a decision.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, maybe that's where they live. We will always love you, Elvis Presley. People who obsess about Elvis Presley on the Isle of Skye, Scotland. The man sure can't leave an impression. On dig. Dig. Thank you for driving slowly. The middle of the road is just one long stream of sheep droppings. I mean, there's technically no side of the road at this point. This is one lane. Oh. That thing, I'm glad it wasn't too close. That thing jumped about an inch or two when you went over. Oh my God! Free range sheep! Look at them, just nibbling! Oh, look at that. They need to film more movies here. Ho!
The full experience.
Do you know in the what is it? New Star Wars movie, blanking. Luke Skywalker is on the island. Is it? Oh God, I can't remember the name of the new one. Anyway, they they had puffins on the island, and they couldn't get them out of the shot. So that's why they made those little things that Chewbacca was eating. They just couldn't get them out of the shot, and they didn't want to spend money to digitally remove them. So they said, all right, why not? We'll just make these little critters. I like it. I wonder what they would come up with for sheep. That's a heavy brake. The bird on top of that, yeah. Road liable, to subsidence. Okay. It took me a second to process that one. I can't imagine this with traffic. Are you kidding? This would take like 3 or 4 hours to get around this. Maybe more. Yeah, this is the time to come. Don't let the secret out.
If you like that video and you want to see more like them, hit like, share, and subscribe.